Twitter is an excellent platform to market your content as well as generating new leads. Just like Facebook ads, Twitter ads also offers advertising opportunities within your budget. There are 4 steps to set up your Twitter ads campaign. The first step is to choose between promoted tweets or promoted accounts. This simply means when you are setting up your Twitter ads, you select whether you would want to promote your tweet or your account. What is the difference? Promoting tweets will display your tweets on your target audience's timeline, while promoting your account will display your username under the Who to Follow section on other users' homepages. My recommendation is for you to select promoting tweets, as this will help to promote your content and generate traffic towards your favor. The second step is to select your primary targeting criteria. This step is to customize your audience to ensure you are targeting the right crowd. Remember, you will be paying for clicks, therefore you would want your message to reach people who are genuinely interested in your content. You can target your campaign by interest or followers as well as keywords. I recommend you target by keywords. Targeting by keywords allows you to reach people that search, tweet, or engage with specific keywords. Targeting by keywords is beneficial if you are searching for users with potential product interests or purchase intent. This option will give you a small but more focused audience. Targeting by interest or followers will help you get new audiences, or if you are focusing on creating your brand awareness, this will garner a larger but less qualified audience. The third step is to choose from additional targeting options. This means you can target your audience by location, device, and gender. You can target by location if you are running a business only in specific regions. You can also select which device you would like your promotional tweets to appear on, mobile or desktop. You can also cater towards males or females depending on your product. The final step is to create your tweet. Once you've determined your target audience and the structure of your campaign, you can create the tweets you wish to promote. You have 2 options in promoting your tweet. You can select Standard, where your tweets will be promoted immediately to your followers, just like your normal tweets, or you can choose Promoted Only to promote your tweet through your Twitter ads campaign. You are now good to go.